Hi there, welcome back. After creating our first project, which was actually we had two sprites walking inside our scene, so let's see it. Nice. We're going to create a new game that I'm sure that you all played this game when you were kids. The game is called Arkanoid. I'm sure that after seeing the screenshot, you know it's a very classic video game. It was very classic in the 80s. We're actually we have a paddle which prevents the ball from falling from the playing field, attempting to bounce it against a number of bricks. So the ball is striking back, causes the brick to disappear. When all the bricks are gone, the player goes to the next level, where another pattern of bricks appears. So there are a number of variations, bricks that have to be hit multiple times, flying enemies, and power-up capsules to enhance the paddle. So let's start. I'm going to have a new file, a new game actually. I will name this game Arkanoid. Actually, I will name it Super Arkanoid. And I think that I don't need this cut. We have to create our backstage, our backdrop, and then to create some sprites. So I would like to have something like a black background, something like being in the space. So I will draw some stars and I will have a black background. So I go to backdrops here and I will try to draw something very easily, create something like this. So fill with color, I chose black and I turned my main scene, my stage with black color. Then I will take the brush, I will choose white color and I will make some stars as being in the galaxy. I think it's something atmospheric, so I think it's okay. This is my backstage and now I will try to create some bricks. So I will choose the rectangle, the square. I think that I will choose this color. No, not this. You can actually undo what you have done. Edit. Oh no. No. I will cut this cut again. And I will cut my sprite. And I will try to choose the rectangle, but this time I will choose the second one so that I will have a filled rectangle. I will choose maybe this color. You can choose whatever you want. And then I will draw something like this. This is my first costume, but it will be the only one. So if you click somewhere on your sprites on your screen, then no, I will not need another one. I will actually duplicate the first one So the first thing that I would like to do is to string sprite1, so it will be a little bit smaller, something like this. And the second thing that I would like to do is to duplicate it, but we will do this later. The second thing that I would like to do is to create my ball. I will choose a sprite from the library. I will choose category things, and here is my ball. So I will click to this. I would also like to shrink it, something like this, and then I would like my paddle. I will create my paddle. I will paint a new sprite. I will choose rectangle, filled rectangle. I will choose something like this. Okay. I added sprite 2. If you would like to change the name of your sprite, you will see that in the left upper corner you have an eye, and if you click it, you can change the name of your sprite. So I will name it paddle, and here it is. I will shrink it again, so that will be much smaller. Something like this. And finally, what I would like to create is a line, a bottom line that will be actually game over line. It will be beneath my paddle, and I will also draw it. So something like this color, I think. Again, I will choose rectangle, filled rectangle. So I will try to create it in the bottom line exactly, something like this. I choose the paddle so that okay. I think that I have to make it a little bit bigger. You see it here, but if I will make it a little bit bigger so that I can see it, something like this. Okay, so it is a little bit big, but I will place it right below my paddle so that it is not shown. Exactly. Everything is right so that I can begin making some scripts. So I will see you in the next lesson.